Hi everyone, my name is Nene Putri with the student ID number J1A125300. I will be presenting on the danger of smoking. The purpose of this lecture is to raise awareness about the serious health risks associated with smoking and to encourage healthier lifestyle choice. I plan to keep my presentation brief and clear. Then I will divide the topic into the following main points. First, I will explain the harmful substance found in cigarette and how they affect the body. Second, I will discuss the long-term health consequences of smoking, include cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. Third, I will talk about the impact of smoking on family and community, include exposure to secondhand smoke and its economic impact. A cigarette is a cylinder of paper measuring between 17 to 120 millimeter long, containing certain tobacco leaves. Okay, first point, harmful substance in cigarette and their effect on the body. First, nicotine. Effect on the body, highly active. Raises heart rate and blood pressure. Second, tar. Stick to lung tissues, damage scales, and causes cancer. Third, carbon monoxide. Effect on the body, reduce oxygen delivery to organs by binding to hemoglobin. Fourth, formaldehyde, a, carcinogen that irritates the respiratory tract. Fifth, arsenic, toxic, damage organ and increase cancer risk. Sixth, benzene, linked to leukemia and bone marrow disorder. Seventh, ammonia, intense nicotine absorption irritates airways. 8. Hydrogen cyanide interferes with cellular oxygen use. 9. Cadmium, heavy metal that harm kidneys and lungs. Okay, second, consequences of smoking. First, cancer. Lung cancer, the leading cause of cancer death among smokers. Other cancer include cancer of the mouth, throat, esophagus, pancreas, bladder, kidneys, cervix, and stomach. Second, cardiovascular disease. Coronary heart disease. Smoking accelerates plaque build-up in the arteries, increasing heart attack risk. Stroke. Nicotine and carbon monoxide raise blood pressure and damage blood vessels. Peripheral artery disease, narrowing of blood vessels in limbs, which may lead to tissue damage or amputation. Third, respiratory disorder, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, include emphysema and chronic bronchitis, causing progressive breathing difficulties. Asthma. Smoking worsens asthma symptoms and increases attack frequency. Respiratory infection. Smokers and are more prone to pneumonia and bronchitis due to weakened immunity. Okay, last but not least, impact on family and society. First, secondhand smoke exposure. Non-smokers, especially children and spouses, inhale toxic chemical. Increases risk of respiratory infections, asthma, sudden infant death syndrome, lung cancer, and heart disease in adults. Second, economic burden. Household spending on cigarettes reduce fund for good education and Healthcare. Smokers may face higher medical costs due to chronic illness. National healthcare system bear the costs of treating smoking-related diseases. Third, social and environmental costs. Reduced, reduced productivity due to illness and absenteeism. Cigarette filter pollutes the environment. Smoking in public places affect community well-being and air quality. Conclusion: the danger of smoking. Smoking poses a severe threat not only to individual health but also to family, community, and national well-being. It is a leading cause of preventable death worldwide, contributing to cancer, heart disease, respiratory disorder, and addiction. The toxic substance in cigarette damage nearly every organ in the body and increase the risk of chronic illness. Beyond personal harm, smoking endangers other through secondhand smoke, especially children and non-smoking family members. It drains household finance, burdens health care system, and reduces productivity. In short, smoking is not just a personal choice, it's a public health crisis with far-reaching consequences. Quitting smoking is one of the most impactful decisions a person can make for their health and the health of those around them.